How to use ちっともない not at all, not in the least.
あら、覚えていてくれたのね。嬉しいわ。知り合い？
いや、知らない。知り合いか？ちっとも思い出せない。
ちっともない is used with the negative form of verbs and adjectives to emphasize not at all or not in the least doing that action or being that way. It stresses the complete absence of that quality or that action. The reason for this is because chitto is actually a slang version of chotto, a little bit. So chitto mo nai means not even a little bit. This is similar to the end 4 piece of grammar zenzen nai, not at all. For instance, here in Fantasia, trying to remember these people, and here he expresses that he absolutely can't remember them at all. Chitto mo omoidasenai.
知り合いか？ちっとも思い出せない。
Or like here in Heavy Rain, talking about this guy saying that he hasn't changed one bit.
久々にカーターに会ったが変な気分だ。ちっとも変わっちゃいない。相変わらずのひねくれ者だ。
Or like here with Majin Buu telling Goku that even with his new face, he isn't scared at all. ちっとも怖くない。
時間がかかってすまなかったな。まだこの変化に慣れていねえんだ。
怖い顔になったってちっとも怖くないぞ。
Or like seen here in Dragon Quest XI with the girl saying that she hasn't changed at all since she was a kid. ちっとも変わってない。
そういえば、成人の儀式の前にも同じようなことがあったっけ？私、子供の頃からちっとも変わってないわね。
Or like finally here in Near Replicant with the main character realizing that he didn't notice at all why Kaine was sleeping outdoors. ちっとも気づかなかった。
どうした？
俺、ちっとも気づかなかった。カイネがなぜ野宿していたか、ちっとも気づいてやれなかった。
Next, we have 2 testing sections to help reinforce the language in your mind. The first stage will test your understanding of the English meaning of the grammar, with the second stage testing your Japanese understanding. While this is quite simple as there's only one grammar point to focus on, this will still help you familiarize with how the grammar is used in the sentence, reinforce the meaning, and even give you a chance to visualize using it yourself with the help of the example sentences. Try reading the answer out loud to yourself before the timer runs out to help reinforce the grammar use in your head, as well as give you a little bit of Japanese listening practice. Good luck and have fun. ちっともない not at all, not in the least.
ちっともない。ちっとも思い出せない。
知り合いか？ちっとも思い出せない。
ちっとも怖くないぞ。
怖い顔になったってちっとも怖くないぞ。
ちっとも変わってないわね。
私、子供の頃からちっとも変わってないわね。
ちっとも気づかなかった。
俺、ちっとも気づかなかった。カイネがなぜ野宿していたか、ちっとも気づいてやれなかった。
I cannot remember at all.
知り合いか？ちっとも思い出せない。
You're not scary at all.
怖い顔になったってちっとも怖くないぞ。
I haven't changed at all.
私、子供の頃からちっとも変わってないわね。
I didn't notice at all.
俺ちっとも気づかなかった。カイネがなぜ野宿していたかちっとも気づいてやれなかった。
Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you get more familiar with this grammar point. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment letting me know what you think about the video. If there's any particular pieces of Japanese you'd like to see covered on this channel, let me know in the comment section. An enormous shout out to the supporters of the channel. I absolutely would not be able to make these videos without you guys, so thank you so much. If you'd like to support the channel as well as join the Game Go Discord, then feel free to join as a member either through the Game Go website or through Patreon. Not only can you help support the channel, but you can also get help with your Japanese any time of the day, hang out and chat. People often stream in the Discord learning Japanese together, and you can even vote on upcoming videos. Thank you so much to everyone who supports the channel, whether as a member or simply by liking and watching the video. Thanks so much guys, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and as always, I'll see you all again in the next video. See ya.